Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you see this beautiful face for the first time, welcome to my channel. If you have been supportive, if this is not your first time coming on my channel, you're always welcome to my channel. Thank you and God bless you for always coming. But then if you haven't hit the subscribe button below, please click on the red subscribe button. Click on the red subscribe button below, let it turn to ash color, then click on the little bell beside it so that I get notified anytime I upload a video. Yeah, with that being said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because giving this video a thumbs up help me reach other people, help me reach a lot of new people. So please don't forget to thumbs up this video for me and leave a comment if there's anything you don't understand during the course of this video. So today's video is a very simple and insightful one. It's a hair video, as you can see from the title. Today I'm going to co-wash my hair. Somebody may ask, what is co-wash? Co-wash is using just conditioner to wash your hair. So how do I co-wash my hair? I'm going to show you in this video. Why should I co-wash my hair? Why I co-wash my hair is to bring in moisture, which is one big advantage of co-washing. Co-washing helps bring in moisture into your hair. If your hair is dry, co-washing your hair on a regular basis helps you to bring moisture into your hair. How many times should you co-wash your hair, or when should you co-wash your hair? Usually for me, I co-wash my hair after 2 weeks of shampooing my hair, or maybe after 1 week of shampooing my hair. Like today, it's just 1 week of shampooing my hair. I'm co-washing my hair because I have a ponytail. I had ponytail on, and right now I need to wash out the gel and all other dust that have been attracted by the gel into my hair. But this time I'm not going to be using shampoo. I'll rather use conditioner, because it's just 1 week ago I washed my hair. I shampooed my hair just 1 week ago. So hence the reason why I'm co-washing my hair. I usually co-wash my hair. Sometimes I also co-wash my hair when I'm about to get braids in my hair. Maybe I've shampooed my hair 2 weeks ago and I want to put in braids. I want to put on braids. So what I do is I co-wash my hair instead of shampooing my hair. A lot of people do this. They shampoo their hair 2 weeks, and the next 2 weeks, because they are going to put on braids in their hair, they go to the salon and shampoo their hair as well. Co-washing is very easy. You can co-wash your hair by yourself in your house without anybody assisting you. I hope you understand. It's a very simple process. So co-washing helps bringing moisture into your hair. Co-washing helps in detangling your hair. Like mine that I just took out my ponytail, the co-washing is going to help me in detangling my hair. Co-washing is also going to help me get rid of dust and get rid of the gel as well. And co-washing is also going to help me get moisture into my hair. As you can see right now, my hair is very dry. My hair is very dry after the ponytail. After taking down my ponytail, I can see my hair is very dry. So the co-washing, the conditioner, co-washing is going to bring in some moisture into my hair. I hope you understand this simple explanation. So if there's something you don't understand, or if there's any question you want to ask me about co-washing, please feel free to place it in the comment section below. I'm going to make sure I answer each and every question one by one, and if any of the questions deserve a separate video, I'm going to do a separate video answering your questions. Yeah, so with that said, I'm going to get into co-washing. So first of all, what I usually do, I usually put my hair into 4 parts. That's how I wash my hair. Anytime I'm washing my hair, I put my hair into 4 parts. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And I'm going to put my hair into 4 parts. So yeah, I'm going to put all the 4 parts into 3-strand braid, what you all know as traditional box braid. This is just for washing purpose, nothing serious. You can also go ahead and instead of doing, if you can't do the braids, you can just use your scrunchies to hold your hair into sections while you wash them.
Baby, in that moment, you know this is something bigger than us and be all bliss. Give me a reason to believe it. Go. If you just let me invade your space, I'll take the pleasure, take it with the pain. And if in the moment I bite my...
Today I'm going to be using this conditioner. As you can see very well, this conditioner is from my yet to be released hair products line. So if you are interested in purchasing my product line, when my hair product line, when it's finally released, then you need to start saving because they are almost ready to be released on the market. So hopefully it happens this year. Hopefully it happens this year because I've been postponing for a very long time, but hopefully it happens this year. So if you want to get into it, if you want to get into my product, if you want to get my product, if you want to get some of my product, make sure you start saving so when it's finally out you can purchase with ease. Yeah, that's my unborn baby, very soon to be born baby coming up very soon, so stay tuned. So I'm going to put a gentle amount. You see how thick it is? It's a conditioner and it's that thick. That's how you know a good product. So I'm going to put a gentle amount into my hair. Don't forget your ends, guys. Don't forget your ends. Don't forget your ends when you're co-washing. Don't. So when you apply the product, when I apply the product, I finger the tangle. You can pre-pull to further detangle your hair before co-washing. Yeah, you can pre-pull to further detangle your hair before co-washing. I have a video on pre-pull on this channel, so I'm going to leave the link to my pre-pull video in the description box below, and the link will also appear here, somewhere here or here. So you click on it and you go and watch that video. So if you feel like your hair is too dry, you can pre-pull your hair before you co-wash your hair. Yeah, to help so that detangle your hair before co-washing. Can you see that the product is not even that much in my hair, but look at the difference. We are going somewhere. Look at the difference. The difference already is telling me that we are going somewhere. Yeah, you think that detangled. Let me tell you something, guys. Ever since I desist from using comb to detangle my hair, I've seen a reduction in the amount of shedding. Yes, I'm telling you this. Get this into your head. If you are washing your hair, if you are washing your hair, if you are any means, anyhow, any way, whatever English you want to add to that, washing your hair, please desist from using all sorts of brushes and comb to detangle your hair. Your finger, God has given you natural comb, natural brush, your natural brushes and natural comb. Your fingers are your natural brushes and your natural comb. Use them. Use them. Even if you go to the salon and they are trying to use too much comb in your hair, tell them to use their fingers to finger detangle your hair for you. Tell them. If they're not ready to serve you the way you want, you can just take your money and leave the salon, because you came there for them to take care of your hair, not just taking care of your hair, but also pamper your hair. So if they are doing anything, I mean, you go to a salon and somebody will take comb and woman being's hair. I'm like, sis, there's blood circulation going on while you're combing the hair. So dry you're doing, are you not going to hurt the person? You're going to have scars on your scalp, I mean, because of detangling. Wow, that's not really necessary. If you ask me, that's not necessary at all. That shouldn't be a topic of discussion at all. Detangling my hair like you're fighting with me. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Look at how freely my hands are. Look at how freely my fingers are detangling my life. Freely. Now freely detangling my hair without any trouble. Feel the difference. Look at this side. Look at this side of my hair and look at this side. Like, I'm going to let it set for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. But while I wait to let it set, I'm going to massage my scalp as well. Massaging your scalp aids in blood circulation. So if there's something you've not been doing, you need to start doing. So you know what? Massaging your scalp can be done by your better half. I mean, what's the use of the boyfriend? What's the use of the husband that after a chilled evening, just relax, and while you sip of some Coke or some Fanta, let him massage your scalp. I mean, he's helping you to grow your hair. I mean, he's there to help you. Why are you in a relationship? But he's there to help you. So let me help you with massaging your scalp as well. Yeah, you can fall asleep during the process, but it's normal, and it can lead to something else during the process. It's normal. Just have fun, live your life. Why should you kill yourself? So I'm going to take that time to massage my scalp. Yeah. Now I'm ready to wash my hair, but wait, before you wash your hair, make sure the water you're using is cold water. I don't mean water in the fridge though, but it's cold water, not hot water, not warm water. If you really want to maintain moisture in your hair, you can, let me tell you something. If you really want to maintain moisture in your hair, when you apply condition, maybe when you are washing your hair, when you are shampooing or after shampooing, you apply condition. Always wash your condition with cold water, not warm, not hot, cold water. It helps to maintain the moisture. So since it's cold wash and conditioner is what we use, I'm going to wash my hair with cold water. But by the way, I can't take you to the bathhouse with me though, but I'm going to wash my hair and I'll be back. Okay? Okay. Like. This is the end result. I'm yet to apply my oils and butters. I have a whole video on how I moisturize my hair. I'm going to film the updated one very soon. Updated video of how I moisturize my hair very soon. But in this video, we didn't come here for moisturizing, we're here for co-washing. So I would like to end the video here, and I would like to tell you that please try and co-wash your hair in the house. Try and co-wash your hair by yourself in the house. This very simple step, I hope you can do it by yourself in the house. And if there's anything you didn't understand, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't given it a thumbs up already, so that somebody else is going to get this video, is going to watch this video and get the information you have gotten from this video as well. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video to people you think needs this video. If you have watched this video up to this point, make sure you share it. And if you have watched this video up to this point and it was useful to you, make sure you share it to 1 or 2 of your friends. Let them also benefit from all these goodies. Let them also benefit from this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Tell me something I need to know.